How to sublimate a children's apron.
You will need the following materials for this project: a heat press, sublimation paper, children's apron, a ruler, heat-resistant tape and a tape dispenser, and a lint roller. Let's start by measuring the area in which we're going to be applying our design to. Measure the width and then the height of the area where you will be placing your design. My design for the children's apron will measure 6.1 inches by 5.6 inches. Let's create the design for the children's apron. Go over to Custom Size, change the units to inches, and input the size of the sublimation paper you are using. I will input 11 inches in width by 8.5 inches in height. Then select Create New Design. Select Elements on the left bar, and in the search bar, type Watercolor Baking Tools. Then select See All. Select the image you wish to use. I'm using this one here, and I'm going to size my design to 6.1 inches by 5.6 inches. Now if I try to download my design like this, Canva won't let me. So here's a trick. Go over to Text, add a symbol, and either change it to the color of any of the patterns you have here and hide it in the leaves, or you can just put it on the corner of your paper. But if you noticed, it hid right there. So let's go over to title it, select Share, select Download, change the file type to PDF Print, select Flatten PDF, select Save Download Settings, then select Download. Save one more time. Open up the folder where you have saved your design to. Next, open up the Print Manager for the sublimation printer you are using. I'm using Sawgrass SG500, and so I will be using PrintMate. Drag your design to Add Files. Scroll up, make sure mirror is turned on, then change the product type to polyester. Select Color Management, and under Color Mode, change the settings to Vibrant, then select Print. Now that we have printed our design, let's start by cleaning the apron using a lint roller. Then we are going to place the apron inside the heat press to adjust for pressure. Use the knob, rotate it to adjust the pressure. Once you've adjusted the pressure, preheat for 5 seconds. Next, tear around the design on all 4 corners using your fingers. This will prevent the lines from embossing or marking onto your fabric. Place the sublimation print on your apron and use heat-resistant tape to secure it down. Then we are going to take it back into our press and press it at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 seconds. When the time is up, remove your apron and your print right away to reveal final result.
Congratulations on sublimating your first children's apron. Look how beautiful and vibrant these colors turned out.